The old seller of eggs. 25 cents an egg, madam, was the old vendor's response. I will take 6 eggs for $1.25 or I will leave, she told him. Come take them at the price you want, was the old seller's response. Since I have not been able to sell even 1 egg today, maybe this is a good start. She accepted the eggs and left feeling like she had won. She and her friend went to a posh restaurant in her fancy car. She and her friend ordered whatever they wanted to eat there. They had a small amount of food and left a lot of what they ordered. She then left for the bill payment. She paid $45 for the bill, gave $50, and asked the restaurant's owner to keep the change. This incident may have appeared to the owner to be quite normal, but it was extremely painful for the poor egg seller. The question at hand is, why do we always demonstrate our power whenever we make purchases from those in need? And why do we show generosity to people who don't even require it? Even though he didn't need them, my father used to pay a lot of money for basic items from the poor. He used to even charge more for them at times. I became concerned by this behavior and inquired as to why he does it. It is a charity wrapped with dignity, my child, my father responded.